This video will show you how to rename multiple files in Windows 11. So let's say that we have a set of 10 pictures, and let's say that they were all taken on a vacation to Cancun. Let's say you don't want to take the time to go to each one, right click, and go to rename and add, Cancun. That can be really tedious. So there's a really cool built-in feature in Windows 11. Let me show you how it works. First, let's select all by holding down Control and then pressing A like Apple. Then press the F2 key and it's going to highlight the first file in the series. So let's replace this image 1 placeholder text with Cancun trip. And then we'll click away with the mouse. And it's gone through and renamed the entire series that was highlighted. And of course, if you don't like what you typed in, you can undo it by holding down Control Z. And if you want to redo it, hold down Control Y. Just one more quick example. Let's say that you have a mixed series of images. Let's say that you only want to rename half the images to one thing and the other half to something totally different. So the way you would do that is highlight the first image in your first series by left clicking, hold down the shift key and then go down to the end of the series. Let's say it's image 5. Then hold down the F2 key and then type your new pattern. So let's just say it's Cancun trip 2026. And that renames all 5 that you highlighted and leaving the others not renamed. So let's say that we want to take this second series and give it something else. Again, left click the first image in the series, hold down the shift key, left click the last image, hold F2. And let's say that this was New York City trip 2026. Hit enter or click away with the mouse. And there, quickly renamed 10 images with 2 different naming patterns. So that's how you rename multiple files in Windows 11. I hope that helps. If you have any questions or problems, leave a comment below.